Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today I have something very special for you all. It is summertime! That's right, it is summertime as of right now. And you need some beautiful summer cocktails. So I've got summer cocktails coming at you. And all of these were actually chosen by my followers. So if you don't like them, get mad at them, not me. And to kick off summer, we're gonna start with you, Amanda. When I asked you what is your favorite summer cocktail, you came back with just mezcal. Love that. Honestly, a beautifully chilled glass of mezcal is amazing on a hot summer day. The only problem is though, if you're not in Mexico, it makes you want to drop everything and go to Mexico. So Amanda, I took your base spirit of mezcal and I came up with a summer cocktail. We're gonna be doing a Hibiscus Sour. We're gonna start with 1.5 ounces, 45 mils of our Sin Pena Mezcal. Next up, we're gonna use some Del Mackay Vida, 1/2 ounce, or 15 mils. Then we're gonna go with 3/4 ounce, or 22 mils, of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 ounce, or 22 mils, of our Hibiscus Syrup. Look at that color. Now, since this is a sour, we want to foam up 3/4 ounce, or 22 mils, of our foaming syrup. Take my big cube here, give it a crack. Put on our top. And now give it a nice hard shake for about 10 seconds. All right, we're gonna drain off our cocktail into another shaking tin. Pour our cocktail back into our shaker. Then shake hard for 10 to 15 seconds to really get that foam going. For today's glass, we're gonna be using a chilled hickeder glass. This is from Libby Glass, and this is their brand new addition to their line. So this is inspired by the traditional hickeder glasses. There it is, the Hibiscus Sour for you, Amanda. Look at that. Look at that color, that foam. Oh yeah. Smell the hibiscus. A little bit of citrus and that beautiful aroma of mezcal. Sweet, sour, tart, touch of smoke. The Vida is giving us a good amount of smoke. The foaming syrup is giving us this beautiful mouthfeel, but the stars of the show are the hibiscus and the mezcal. A little bit of those earthy clay pot flavors from the mezcal, citrus, bright, tart notes from the hibiscus. Not bad for the first cocktail of summer. This one's for you, Amanda. If you want to check out my other cocktail videos, click right there. And if you want to check out some of my food videos, click on up here. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook. Cheers.